It is Saturday today, and I had three classes of financial accounting, like three classes. And to be honest, the professor is really good. Like, he teaches really well. It was so draining, to be honest, क्योंकि इतना सारा कुछ करना था in that class. And of course, the professor, he did not let us have थोड़ा सा भी break in between. And I got so drained, and I'm so happy because tomorrow is a Sunday, and day after tomorrow we have just two classes. Oh my god, it feels so good. And I've also applied this multani mitti because my face has got tanned again, and I'm trying to undo the tan, but of course I'm not able to. If you have some suggestions, please suggest something in the comment section. Multani mitti sook chuki hai, and it is time for a transition in 1, 2, and I think it worked. Now, since I'm done with all of this, I'm gonna take a shower. Then I'm gonna go to the sports room and play something with my friends. So I have plans with my friends to watch a movie tonight. That is going to be a horror movie. I hope it's a horror movie. I don't know. But yeah, it will be fun. So this is Ojasvi and Abhi Sumat. They both are roommates. So I and Ojasvi decided that we'll team up and we'll play against Abhi Sumat. For the sake of commitment, bhai, I and Ojasvi wore the same t-shirt and same shorts. Same shots. By dedication, देख रहे हो तुम लोग. Abhi Sumat is like low-key plotting 10 moves ahead without saying a word, and Ojasvi, on the other hand, is completely dramatic. So somehow we ended up winning, but honestly it was about that rush when the ball drops, that cheer you let out without thinking, that second where your brain forgets assignment, quizzes, everything, and in a place where every day is about chasing grades and deadlines. This was our little victory of a Saturday. And bottles of bubbles, lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Like do some magic. So this Saturday, I and my roommate Soumya, we turned our room into a full-blown concert hall. Speakers on blast. We are singing like we have sold out a stadium. See, bathroom singers by default, but in our heads, we are no less than Taylor Swift. Okay, lyrics may be wrong, notes totally off, but the confidence, oh please. The walls might be thin, but so is our shame, and if the hostel hears us, they better sing along. Later that night, 4 of us, we sat together and watched a horror movie, which turned out not to be a horror movie technically, but yeah, it was fun watching it with our friends. All of us, we slept. Welcome to the slowest Sundays ever. So what I do is get up and make my bed. I always have the music on 24/7, especially on Sundays, because you know, when I was a kid, we used to watch this 9XM Subah wala, morning wala, Sunday wala playlist on our television as a kid on Sundays, and used to have our breakfast. But now that we are in hostel, this is the thing that I do, and I really love it. So generally I'm just singing along and making my bed. Meanwhile, my roommate, she does her stuff, and then once she's done, I am the one who does it. This is how my bed looks like on the best days, and this is how my table looks like, and this is how my roommate's table looks like. She has always the cleanest table on earth, but it gets messed up. I don't know how. घर पे तो there were times my mom used to remind me that you need to oil your hair, you need to oil your hair. See, I'll be lying if I say कि मुझे पसंद नहीं है oiling करना. I love it because the head massage, it actually makes me feel really light. But the thing is, I don't want to look like a full-time chomu if I apply it 24/7. So yeah, that is why it is generally on Sundays, and then I braid my hair and let that oil sink in. After I'm done applying the hair oil, I usually prefer going to a gym first and then take a shower. So yes, I changed to my gym ka attire, and also I have a dance and drama ka meeting in the gym. Yes, because on Sundays we are not allowed to have meetings in a CR. Yes, I guess we can book it in the classrooms. We can book the classrooms, but I guess on Sundays it is not allowed. So yes, we went to the gym and had our meeting there. This is how our college gym looks like. We have a 1.5 credit course of dance and drama, and on Tuesday we have this performance wherein we have two options, like we can either perform a skit or a dance and like add a little bit of dance to a skit. So we did that. So I'm done with my dance and drama key meeting. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the gym and stuff because it's Sunday today and I did not do it for the last 4-5 days I guess, and I feel thoda ajeeb, and it actually makes me feel good. Plus मैं बहुत ज़्यादा tan हो रही हूँ, तो the sweat actually makes me glow. So yes, let's see. I know I look super funny in this, but it is actually really fun. I enjoy it so much. Like when my body is active, it feels actually good. I'm done with the workout. Now I'll go and have my snacks before I go and take a shower. So yeah, let's go. I love Sundays for a reason. I don't know, जो धूप Sunday को आती है, that धूप is not there the entire week. And this is how our campus usually looks like on a Sunday. It's the mountains, the plants and whatnot. It looks so good. I really like the view from this angle at least. So I'm heading back to my room now. I went back to my room, took a shower, and then I had this. And yeah, this is the share given by my maternal grandfather, and if you eat it with akroot, you'll love it. Just try it once. I tried it in the hostel. Like I did not know this combination works, but I don't know. एक दिन भूख लगी थी, and I just accidentally tried it, and it turned out so good. I made my roommate also taste it, and she loved it. It's actually something I have discovered, I guess, or is it already a good combination? I don't know, but I though discovered it in the hostel only, and I love it. So like whenever I feel hungry thoda sa, I just have it, and it makes me feel really happy. It's like that happy dish. It's like that happy bite that I have when I am not good. So yes. Just got a call from my friends and they're saying, come, let's play pool again. So I'm gonna go to the sports room and play pool today again. On top of it, Today we have special dinner. तो क्या होता है special dinner के दिन we have like special dishes like जो मेस का regular दिनों का menu होता है that is not there. So there is like this special, there are certain special food items that we eat. So yes, after I'm done with the pool, I'm gonna go there and have my dinner, and I'll see you later. In our college we have this special dinner every single month. So one day every single month we have special dinner in our college where we have a lot of different food items served, ice creams, cold drinks, and like naan and whatnot. And this is how my plate looked like. Though there were a lot of dishes, I had to choose what to pick because I couldn't eat itna sara, but this was actually fulfilling and it was actually good. After we are done having food, few of my friends, they generally play badminton. I don't actually enjoy a lot playing badminton, but yes, I enjoy doing this. And yes, with that, the Sunday was over with a blink, and it is going to be a long week with 3, 4, 5 classes in a day. I hope the Sunday comes back and I can enjoy again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you slay.